Luxury living at its finest. A newer front door welcomes you home to a soaring two-story entry with custom crown molding, updated staircase with iron spindles, and a chandelier lift. Hardwood flooring, custom paint and window treatments, and recessed lighting throughout the first floor, second staircase and loft overlooking the expanded two-story family room which boasts a gas fireplace for cozy winter nights by the fire, & custom molding. Gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, upgraded cabinets, breakfast area with sliders which leads you to a bright and sunny morning room or second family room. First floor also boasts fifth bedroom, office and updated powder room. Upstairs you will find 4 spacious bedrooms, loft for a TV room, computer room, or homework center and main bath,